What is it, Ben?
Oh, I got one.
Can you read your card?
Can you get a tissue for me, please?
Can you sound it out,
Ben.
please?
Ben.
I just heard
Say thank you, Nana.
Your card is not the same as hers.
Say thank you, Papa. Oh, look at the puzzle.
Ben got a puzzle. I got a horsey, see? Look, Ben, I got
Stand up first. What are you doing? Abby?
A puzzle, Ben.
Bella, look, I can read it. To a special girl on Valentine's Day.
Wow.
What's it say on the inside?
Yes. Abby's best idea.
Sure you can. You said you couldn't read the front and you did.
No, I can read it because I found it.
Okay, sound out the rest. Open it up.
We love you.
You got crayons? You got card crayons, Ben? That's nice for your new coloring book.
Yeah, you just said you
Very nice.
Very.
look at the windows.
Mommy, that's Goofy.
That's Goofy.
That's a Mommy, that's Mickey Mouse right there.
That's Mickey Mouse right there.
That's Mickey Mouse on our box.
He's riding a bike. Let me see.
No,
It says sometimes fairy tales.
it's on the
Next
cowboy.
one, please.
Let me see. Oh, that's very nice.
It's on the telescope.
Look right here. Say thank you, Nana. Nana and Papa. Like, look right here, baby.
Sometimes fairy tales come true. You're not looking
Give a
at
kiss.
the card, Abby.
That's nice, Ben. Can you give Papa a kiss? No kisses for Papa. Why? Oh, look, I think Grandpa sent you that. Can you give him a kiss now? Say thank you, Grandpa.
Looking at the TV. Oh,
Sugar, do you want me to help you open your bag? Yeah? Okay. Come here, baby. So sick. Oh, my baby's so sick. Uh-oh. Running out of battery. Can you help me here?
Stop it.
Open these? Okay, just a minute. Bye, Lee. Say thank you, Nana. That's what Nana gave you.
Look at that. Just a second. Can you wait just a second, please?
Okay, just a minute.
Some fairy tales.
Look. Look at those. Where's Darby? Where is Darby?
Can you read this, Mama? Right here.
That right there. Where's Winnie O Pooh?
When you open. Can you read this, Mama?
There he is. Where's Piglet?
Mama, can you read this? Right there.
Where's Hufflepuff?
Oh, right there.
That's Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Where's Tigger?
Right there.
Okay, look at the camera. Say thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
Right here, Mommy. Look right here. Blow Nana a kiss. Okay, say love you, Papa.
Daddy, Papa.
Say see you soon.
See you soon.
Look at the camera. Riley, let me see your pretty eyes. There you go, baby. Okay. Okay, can you say Happy Valentine's Day?
Happy Valentine's Day. I love you.
You're sweet, Abby.
Open, Mommy.
Can you say Happy Valentine's Day?
Happy Valentine's Day. Look, say thank you. Look, Leah, please say thank you. You don't want to say thank you?
Hurry up, we're running out of battery. Just say Happy Valentine's Day to Nana, B, and Grandpa Jim.
Say Say thank you.
Thank you.
Blow
Here,
kisses.
look right here and say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.